What did Papa get you? What is inside? Can I show you? Come here. What's in here on this side? What do you do with one hand? Oh. Are they shoes? Ooh, pretty shoes. Ooh, sparkles. You like them? Oh, show Daddy. Show your new shoes.
Let me see. Oh, fancy. Look at those colors. Sparkles. Oh, very pretty, Claire.
Puma.
Pretty. Pretty. And Puma. Fancy shoes. Claire, you can never get bigger now. You just have to keep wearing these forever. You hear that?